Hi everyone, I am Loretta Holmberg. Welcome to my Teach and Reach YouTube channel. I am an online teacherpreneur. On my channel, I share tips, tricks, and strategies for online teaching and learning to help educate, empower, and elevate ourselves to be the best online teacher that we can be. Each week, I will bring you brand new videos, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Get to subscribe and click on that bell so that you'll be notified whenever new videos are being posted and uploaded onto YouTube on this channel. So today I am going to be sharing with you my excitement about my month of June teaching on Outschool. So I started teaching on Outschool on May 14th, right? May 14th. And I did post a video on how much I made from May 14th to June 13th. But now I'm just doing from the beginning of June until the end of June because we're in July right now. So folks, I am going to share with you, right, without further ado, what I made in the month of June 2020. Now, this is not a bragging video at all. This is more like I am shocked and I'm really happy and I'm really thankful. And I think that, you know, with the right mindset and frame of mind and approaching this Outschool teaching in a way where you look at the market and you see, okay, what's the need, right? I think you too can do just as well or even better. Like I know of people who are actually doing really, really better because they're using pop culture themes like Minecraft and Dungeons and Dragons, something I am not aware of at all. Like I don't know anything about them other than my son used to play Minecraft and my fiance plays Dungeons and Dragons, but I don't know anything about them. All right, so for the whole month of June, when I taught on Outschool, this is how much I made, and based on 22 hours of teaching time. So that's teaching time. Most of my classes are actually dog training classes, so there is very little prep because I do teach dog training lessons outside of Outschool as well to face-to-face clients. So a lot of my dog training classes, very little prep. The only prep I would have for those dog training stuff is the classes are really when I set up the room so that my dog can come and help me out and basically leash my dog and make sure I have treats for the classes. So the other classes that I teach, which are academic type classes, right? So we have like the read alouds or the sing and learn dance kind of thing that goes hand in hand with the book that I'm doing, or the creative mystery writing class. I have some prep time, but not so much. So I've chosen classes that are classes that I've taught before. So I used to teach in the elementary school, right? So elementary, middle school. And so I've basically chosen classes that is like, you know, I have it in my repertoire of skills already. So it didn't take much to come up with them. Lesson planning was very quick, and the prep time before each class was also quick. I think about the only time that I spent a lot of time on for a particular class was really on my creative mystery writing class, because I actually had one-on-one conferences with the students that were in that class, and I revised and helped students revise and edit their piece of writing before they share out to the class. But that was really, really fun to do with my students. So even though, you know, I spent more time, it was definitely worth it. It helped them to be a better writer, and I enjoyed that. I enjoyed listening to their final product. Well, actually kind of like a draft final product, because they're still doing it. So I made a total of $1,762.30. My total teaching time, so just in-class teaching time, was 22 hours. So that came up to an average of $80 an hour. So remember, I mean, I might have some prep time, right? But $80 an hour, that's pretty good. With VIP Kid, I make about $20 an hour. So that is 4 times the amount that I make on VIP Kid. I didn't expect that. I didn't know what I was making. I was putting all the stuff onto my Excel sheet, but I wasn't adding up as I was going along. So I just wanted it to be a surprise. So that was great. I'm really, really thankful for Outschool. I'm really thankful that I'm able to find my niche, right, on Outschool. Obviously, it is dog training. I do love the academic courses as well, and I'm still going to keep offering them because it kind of changes things up. But I do absolutely love all my dog training classes, and I love watching all the students' faces light up when your dogs are able to do it or when they've successfully trained their dogs. So I know that folks have been asking about, well, some folks are hesitant about teaching on Outschool, or they have been approved and they're hesitant about teaching for Outschool because like, I don't know what to teach, or hesitant to apply because they're like, I don't know what to teach. Well, here is where I'm going to offer my free personalized coaching services. So I actually spend time with all my referrals going through, all right, so let's talk about what are your interests, what are your hobbies, what are you good at, and maybe it's just all academic stuff. That's fine, but we're going to pair it with something that is pop culture so that it will make your lessons more interesting, and then coming up with like great titles, catchy, interesting titles to hook the parents or the students who are looking at the classes. All right, that's just a start. And then some folks are hesitant about, well, I don't want to apply, or I really don't know how to do this lesson plan. Well, here is where I'm going to help as well, because I do have a template, right? It is in a Word doc, so you'll be able to edit right away. But in order for you to get your template from me with examples, all right, go ahead and click on my link for Outschool application, and then send me an email at teachandreach2020@gmail.com, or go to my website teachandreach.com and click on the Outschool page for you to get more information. All right, so folks who are working with me as referrals, and also those who have been approved and are in the midst of teaching their first class or getting their first class set up, I do provide one-on-one personalized coaching. That personalized coaching comes in the form of Zoom sessions, as well as, you know, folks have been messaging me and whatnot. I have references that you can talk to. Well, I hope that gives you a little snapshot on what my June 2020 is and what it could be for you for July 2020 or August 2020 or September 2020, right? So I hope to hear from you. teachandreach2020@gmail.com, and remember to keep smiling, keep shining. The best is yet to come. Be safe, everyone, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell.